Difference between angel numbers and life path numbers. Angel numbers and life path numbers are both rooted in numerology, yet they serve different purposes and are interpreted in distinct ways. Angel numbers are repeating or pattern sequences, like 111, 222, 1234, that people notice in daily life, on clocks, receipts, or license plates. They are viewed as timely signals from spiritual guides or angels, offering encouragement, warnings, or confirmations. The meaning depends on the specific sequence and the moment it appears. For example, 444 is often read as, "You're protected," while 111 suggests, "Set clear intentions." Life path numbers, by contrast, are permanent birth chart indicators calculated from the full date of birth, day plus month plus year reduced to a single digit or master number 11, 22, 33. A life path number outlines a person's core personality, talents, and karmic lessons, similar to a sun sign in astrology. Because it never changes, it provides a broad map of one's lifelong direction rather than momentary guidance. In short, angel numbers are fleeting, situational signs thought to convey spiritual messages, whereas life path numbers are enduring numerological profiles that describe the overarching journey of an individual's life. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.